Waterpik Complete Care 9.0 combines brushing and flossing in one device. Start by filling reservoir with warm water and replace it firmly on the base. Select a tip that's right for you. Click firmly into handle. If this is your first use, you will need to prime the pump. 1. Set the pressure control to high. 2. Point the tip into the sink. 3. Turn on until water flows. 4. Turn unit off. Now let's get on to water flossing. Start with the lowest pressure setting. Lean over the sink and place the tip in your mouth. Turn power and water on. Partially close lips to prevent splashing and let water flow from your mouth into the sink. Aim the tip at the gum line. For best results, start with your back teeth. Move along gum line, pausing briefly between teeth. Water floss front and back side of teeth for 1 minute. The toothbrush features a rechargeable battery that conveniently charges in the base of the unit. Next, remove the charged toothbrush from its docking station. Attach a brush head. Apply water and toothpaste and place in your mouth. To start brushing, turn toothbrush on and select a mode. The Complete Care 9.0 toothbrush has 3 modes: clean, whiten, and massage. Clean all surfaces of your teeth, outside, inside, and along the gum line. If you have trouble reaching the inside of your teeth, tilt the brush vertically. The Complete Care toothbrush has a 2-minute timer that pauses briefly every 30 seconds so you know when to move to the next section of your mouth. Brush for 2 minutes twice a day for best results. Waterpik Complete Care. Brushing and flossing in one device.
Meet the AquaSonic Black Series Plus. The world's best smart toothbrush just got better. The AquaSonic Plus now includes a revolutionary wireless charging glass. Simply drop the AquaSonic handle inside to begin charging. It doubles as a rinsing glass once you've finished brushing. Grab the smooth satin handle and power up with an industry-leading 40,000 vibrations per minute ultrasonic motor and new adaptive Proflex brush heads. Choose between 4 unique modes for a more complete approach to oral care. Use the clean mode daily for a deep and thorough clean that is 10 times more effective than a manual toothbrush. Or soft mode for gentler cleaning of sensitive teeth and gums. A smart vibration timer lets you know when it's time to clean a new quadrant of your mouth. Use Whiten mode 3 to 4 times a week to activate AquaSonic's inverted frequencies to dissolve surface stains and whiten teeth over time while getting better results with our new Proflex brush heads. Activate Massage mode to deliver powerful yet gentle ultrasonic microbursts into your gum tissue to boost blood circulation. Healthier gum tissue means healthier teeth and a more beautiful smile. Whiten your teeth in as little as 2 weeks and boost gum and overall oral health in as little as 1 week. AquaSonic Plus Smart Toothbrush, including a revolutionary wireless charging glass, 6 adaptive Proflex brush heads, and a custom hardshell travel case.
Hold your head up. What we loved us is who we are. Like tomorrow with today. Each step and each turn. Come on now, you elevate me. Each step and each turn. Each time